Can you hear this? Listen, can you hear it? It's a sound of freedom. The wind in my hair. Listen. Wow. I don't have to listen anymore to office sounds. I don't have to go anymore to that cubicle. This is life. 2 days ago, moved out of the house. This is last time I'm leaving the old house, moving into a new house. And I'm off for the adventure. I had to go find Tom Sawyer, Huckleberry Finn, Peter Pan. They're waiting somewhere for me. So I just followed that trail. If you want, you can come with me together. But so far, 2 days, didn't do anything. Watch TV. What's in front of me? Really nothing. So far, like I said, 2 days here. Yesterday, my buddy Tony came to visit. So while I was taking a nap, somebody knocks on the door. I said, is it police? What did I do wrong? No, it's my buddy Tony, first visitor. Tony, hello.
Yes, Tuli, congratulations.
How do you like nomadic life?
Life of gypsy according to Borat. Very good.
Very good.
Life very good as gypsy.
And we find a couple of Jews to hunt after. We are now doing a sausage work here. It's gonna be, okay, roasted. So, adio. Oh.
Prost.
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 Cheers.
Prost. Cheers. Oh my God.
It's not cold.
Don't worry.
But it was.
Come on. Nice.
I have nothing in front of me. And that was my goal. Not to have any obligations. Not to have the list for today. If I want to do something, I'll do it. But mostly I don't want to do anything. I just want to listen to music and watch MMA fights. So long.